everyone, welcome to Origami Online. My name is Mizuho. I am a library officer at Kingston Libraries. Origami is the art of paper folding. It's a great activity for both children and adults. I'll be posting weekly fun origami tutorials over the next few months. It's for everyone, adults, teens, children. Everyone is welcome to have a go. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make a bookmark. How did you go with making bookmark? Kingston Library has a Facebook page called Kingston Creators. It's a place for people to share their creative projects. Please ask questions or share your bookmark on Kingston Creator Facebook page. I'd love to see your creation. See you next week.